In this video we are going to talk about the best Mouse Bungees in this year, which is Cougar Gaming Bunker. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Cougar Bunker Gaming Mouse Bungee is a device designed to improve the cable management and movement of gaming mice. It is compatible with most types of gaming mice and helps keep the mouse cable out of the way, reducing cable drag and improving the accuracy and precision of mouse movement. Here are some details about the Cougar Bunker Gaming Mouse Bungee. Design and features. The Bunker Gaming Mouse Bungee has a compact and sturdy design that features a weighted base with a non-slip rubber bottom to keep it firmly in place on your desk. The bungee arm is flexible and can be adjusted to different heights and angles, depending on your needs and preferences. The top of the arm has a rubber clip that holds the mouse cable securely in place, preventing it from dragging or getting tangled while you play. The device also has a built-in USB hub with 2 ports, allowing you to connect other peripherals or devices to your computer without having to reach for the back of your puck. Compatibility. The Cougar Bunker Gaming Mouse Bungee is compatible with most types of gaming mice and cables, including braided and rubber cables. It works with both wired and wireless mice, although it's primarily designed for wired ones. The device is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. Benefits. The Bunker Gaming Mouse Bungee helps improve the accuracy and precision of mouse movement by reducing cable drag and friction. It eliminates cable tangling and twisting, which can be distracting and frustrating during gameplay. The device helps keep your desk and gaming setup organized and tidy by managing the mouse cable and reducing clutter. The built-in USB hub provides additional ports for connecting other devices or peripherals, making it more convenient to use. Overall, the Cougar Bunker Gaming Mouse Bungee is a useful accessory for gamers who want to improve their mouse movement and cable management. It's compact, durable, and easy to use, and it can make a noticeable difference in your gameplay experience. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.